filling and lifting. Question 1. Whose glass holds more? Now in this question we'll be solving this. Ritu's elder sister finds out who drinks the most milk like this. She pours the content of the glasses in three same size glasses. Nita and Mono visits Ritu's house. Ritu's mother gives them milk in different glasses. Who do you think gets the most milk? Now they are talking over here. I drink so much milk. I drink more milk than you. I drink milk in a big glass. So let us find out who is drinking more milk. Now over here you can see this is Ritu's glass. Ritu's elder sister finds out who drinks the most milk like this. She pours out the content of glasses in three same size glasses. So this is Ritu's glass, this is Mono's glass, and this is Nita's glass. Now Ritu's glass is fully filled, whereas Mono's glass is about half filled over here, and Nita's glass is a quarter filled. Now there are questions down below. Let us discuss. Who drank the most milk? We can clearly find out that Ritu drank most milk. Second question. Who drank the least milk? We can find out from here. Who drank least milk is Nita. So Nita drank the least milk. Further, question number 3 is about fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with more or less. We'll directly come to the answers over here. So first question. A. Nita's glass holds less milk than Mono's glass. True. Next. B. Mono's glass holds more milk than Nita's glass. C. Ritu's glass holds more milk than Nita's glass. And then we come to the fourth question, which is pick the right name. A question says Nita, Mono, Ritu glass holds the most milk. So here we have the answer for A, that whose glass holds most milk is Ritu's glass. I'll underline it properly. Ritu's glass holds most milk. So we will tick over here. Next, Nita, Mono, Ritu glass holds least milk. So over here we can see that Nita's glass holds most milk. So we take Nita's name. Next question, question number 2. Let us do. Get 3 vessels, like a small bowl, glass and bottle, of different sizes from your home. Guess how many small bowls will fill the glass, how many glasses will fill the bottle. First guess and then pour water from one vessel into another to check if your guess is correct. So this way we can solve this. And first we have to guess. So a glass, according to my guess, has 2 bowls of the content. Whereas actually also, it actually had 2 bowls of my content. Next we will guess a bottle can hold 4 like this type of bowls. So I had guessed, and then I tried it after filling the bottle. Here the bottle will be there, and I will fill the bottle with the bowls. So exactly there were 1, 2, 3, 4 bowls which fitted inside the bottle. So now based on this, there is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the most or the least. First one, A. The glass holds the least water. B. The bottle holds the most water. Second question. Name the vessels that are used in your home that can store more water than your bottle. Now here are the list of items which can hold more water. That is a bucket, a water jug, a water tank, a cooking pot, and a bathtub. Moving to the next question, question number 3, let us do. Now look at this beautiful picture over here. And based on this picture, we have to solve the following questions. First question says, how many ladles fill the bowl? So this is a ladle. And you have to tell me, according to you, how many ladles will fill this bowl? And the answer is, there you need 2 ladles to fill the bowl. Second question, 2. How many glasses can be filled by a jug? So how many of these glasses can be used to fill this jug? So we can say, second one, there we need 4 glasses. We need 4 glasses to fill the jug. Third question. What will you use to fill the half of the glass? You will use a bowl to fill half of the glass. Because 2 bowls, so here you can see 2 bowls equals 1 glass. So I'll use only 1 bowl to fill half of the glass. Next, which of these would you use for distributing the lemonade in glasses and why? Fourth question, I will use a ladle, this ladle, to distribute the lemonade in the glasses. Next question, there is a fifth question. How many glasses can be filled by 3 jugs of lemonade? So 1 glass, 3 jugs. In a glass, a jug can fill actually 2 glasses. So if I have 3 jugs, no, a jug can fill 4 glasses. So if I have 3 jugs of lemonade, I can fill 12 glasses. That is easy maths. I have 3 jugs into 4, which equals 12. Next, sixth question, how many ladles are needed to fill 4 glasses? So I will need 16 ladles to fill 4 glasses. And seventh question, which goes like this, can you use a ladle, a bowl and a glass to fill out how many lemonade a jug can hold? How much lemonade a jug can hold? So yes, we can use a ladle, bowl and a glass to fill a jug, because the ladle, bowl and the glass are smaller in size compared to a jug that we see. Next, question 4, which goes like this, let us discuss. Pick the appropriate word in the sentence given below. So first word that we have, the glass holds less than, more than, less than 1 liter. So the glass holds less than 1 liter. Here we have the answer also. Next, B, the bowl holds more than or less than 1 liter. The bowl holds less than 1 liter. C, the jug holds more than, less than or exactly 1 liter. We know that the jug can also hold exactly 1 liter. So this is the answer to the question. Next, we move to the question number 5. Let us think. Look at the picture and take the appropriate word. Here we have different pictures. There is 3 glasses which are there, and there is a big bottle in which we can pour the water from the glasses. So now let us see. Let us discuss first. The mug holds a liter or half a liter of water. So we have the answer. The mug holds, or the glass holds. Okay, again I will take question number 5. Let us think. Look at the picture and take the appropriate word. The mug holds a liter or half a liter of water. So we know that if we have a mug at home, it will hold exactly half the liter of water. Next, the glass holds a liter, half liter, quarter liter of water. So glass holds quarter liter of water. Moving to question number 6. Let us explore. Let us guess and check with the liter, 1 liter bottle. How much water does a bucket hold at your home? Now you know that a big bucket will hold more than a liter. That is over here, more than a liter of water. Question number B. We have, how much water does a mug hold at your home? Less than, more than, or equal to 1 liter. We know that a mug sometimes can hold half liter, or also more than. If the mug is bigger, it can hold less than half liter. Oh yeah, there is a mistake. It is less than half liter. Or sometimes exactly. over here there is a mistake. So a mug, how much water can a mug hold? Less than, more than, equal to half liter. So a mug can hold equal to half liter of water. It should be half HALF, half. Question number C. How much water does a glass hold? A glass can hold less than, more than, or equal to a quarter liter. So here there is a mistake over here, C1. So a glass can hold less than, equal to quarter liter. So this is the answer, equal to quarter liter. Next, moving further, question number 7. Write the names of the object and their weights in the table given below. Now there is a table given below, and you have to write the names of the objects and their weights down below. So over here we have, we'll first write a pencil that we use daily in a class. So a pencil, if we balance, it will be approximately, if we have a 1 rupee coin, we'll need 3 1 rupee coins to equal 1 pencil. Next, a ping pong ball. You might have seen a ball, round ball, which is like this, which jumps from here to there. That is called ping pong ball. And a ball, ping pong ball equals 5 coins. A spoon equals 4 coins. Then a rubber band equals 1 coin. It is very light. A rubber band is very light. That's why it will equal 1 coins. Then a small toy car. Then a small toy car will be equal to 6 coins. Next question 2. Let us do second one. Second question. Let us make another weight to measure slightly heavier objects. Fill a matchbox with sand and use this to weigh the following objects. Guess the weight in terms of matchboxes and then verify. Object. Your guess for number of matches needed to balance the object. Number of matchboxes used to balance the object. Pencil box, 3 matchboxes. 3 matchboxes. 1 spoon, a spoon. We can have a weight of 1 box, and number of boxes used is 1 box. And if you have 4 marbles, you can guess it as 2 boxes, and you will have 2 matchboxes. Next, write the names. This is very interesting. Write the names of all things measured in order from lightest to the heaviest. So this, we can say that spoon is the lightest. The spoon is the lightest, then the marbles, and then the pencil box. Because the pencil box has more than 10 pencils, so it will be heavier. It will be a little heavier because it has 10 pencils in it. Next, let us do question number 8. How much is 1 kilogram? So when you go for shopping, you might have seen your mom buying 1 kilo sugar, 1 kilo rice. So how much do you think is the weight of 1 kilo rice bag? Over here it is given as rice bag. With the help of your parents, find the objects in your home which 1 kilo is written. Fill it with your hand and guess what other objects may be 1 kilo. Verify by checking on the label of objects or by asking your parents. Write the names of the objects that are 1 kilogram. So you write the name of the objects. Let us keep a 1 kilogram salt packet or any other readily available packet as our measuring tool. Start by finding the objects in your home that have the label of 1 kilogram. Common items that we can find in our homes will be a packet of salt, a bag of rice, a pack of flour, a 1 kilo sugar packet. So these are the things that we can find in our home. Can you guess which of these things are likely to be lighter or heavier than 1 kilogram? Put a tick mark to the appropriate box. So here we have an object more than or less than 1 kilo. So here you can guess it and write. So we'll see what is the object. Okay, here are the number of objects that are there. So we will move to the answer. The objects. So here we have the objects which is more than 1 kilo and which are less than 1 kilo. You can copy this on your textbook. Next, look at the balance and take the correct word. So here we have the answer, which is the correct word. We will move to question number B. Each dal packet weighs half kilogram or 1 kilogram. So we see that each dal packet over here weighs half a kilogram. Next, each tea packet weighs half kilogram, quarter kilogram, or kilogram. Each tea packet weighs a quarter of a kilogram. Question 9, let us explore tricky balls. 1. Montu poses a puzzle to his friends. 3 balls look similar in size. 1 of them is heavier and 2 balls are equal in weight. You have only a pen balance and no weights. Using the 3 balls and the pen balance, can you identify which is a heavy ball? So look at this picture. So you see here there are 3 balls. So you have to use the pen balance and find out which of these 3 balls are heavy and lighter. So we will do this. Here we will put the balls in this balance. Okay, and then we will find out. This you can do at home with the help of your teacher or with your parents. Next, we'll move to the next. How many times will you have to weigh? So you need to weigh only once to identify which is heavier. B. Use the balance only one time and tell which is heavier ball. Weigh any 2 balls against each other on the pen balance. If they balance out equally, the third ball, which yours not weighed, is heavier. If they do not balance, the heavier ball will be the one on the side that dips down. Next. Question number 2. There are 3 same size balls of different weights and colors. These balls are of red, orange and green. Can you look at the picture and can you tell, use a pen's balance and tell for which but cannot use weight? Okay, let us see. There are these balls which are there. Okay. There is a red ball, orange ball and green ball. So we have to find out the weight. Now first question that goes like this. How will you find which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest? So answer. Weigh the red ball against the orange ball. If one is heavier, then the other side is potential heaviest. The other is lighter. If the balance of both are equal, then weigh the heavier ball, step 1, against the green ball. If the green ball is heavier, the heaviest and the other is the middle weight. If the green ball is lighter, the ball from step 1 is the heaviest and the green ball is the lightest.